Good morning, class, and have a nice day. Today, we are going to revise our old topic, which is My Playground from Hands on Environmental Studies PP 1. So, open page number 13. Here you can see page number 13, and this is our today's topic, which is My Playground. Here, My Playground. Now, start reading. I go to the playground to play and have fun on the slides. So here are some pictures given. Now we will see what these are. So starting from this. This is toy train. This is jungle gym. This is bouncy castle. This is slide. This is seesaw, and these are swings. What you have to do is you have to learn the things we see at playground, which means things like toy train, jungle gym, bouncy castle, slide, seesaw, and swings. Learn these and let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.